From one thing to another, dancehall recording artist Skeng seemed to be the focus of attention this week after he was arrested and then he was granted bail and to appear in court. However, he did his performance in Guyana, which was a massive success. However, the event was called to an abrupt end after shots started to fire. Welcome again and thanks for joining us. This is Links007 TV Celebrity Scoop and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So, fast-rising dancehall DJ Skeng was arrested during the course of this week at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, Jamaica, for allegedly getting into an altercation with the airport personnel. According to Dennis Brooks, senior communications strategist for the Jamaica Constabulary Force, Skeng, whose given name is Kevon Douglas, has been charged. We can confirm that Kevon Douglas was removed from a flight on Tuesday afternoon. He became involved in an argument with a member of the airport security and started behaving in a particular way that the police had to be called, Brooks said in a statement to reporters. He was arrested and offered bail after being charged for disorderly behavior and resisting arrest. It is reported that Skeng and also two members of his entourage were expected to be on a flight destined to Trinidad and Tobago, where he was scheduled to perform for the first time. The protocol artist has been projected to torch the summer by music industry professionals, but it appears that the management and public relations team will now have to put out a different kind of fire, as he's expected to face the court on June 21st at the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. Efforts to get in contact with Skeng's attorney Christopher Townsend were unsuccessful. Skeng missed the flight to the Twin Island Republic, but it has not been announced that he will no longer be on the event, the report stated. Police sources have confirmed that an oversized bleaching cream is at the center of a dispute which saw the dancehall recording artist Skeng being jogged off a flight destined for Trinidad on Tuesday. According to the source, the artist was being escorted through the airport because he was late for his flight. It is reported that while going through the port security corps, an oversized container of bleaching cream was found in his luggage. Travel-sized liquid gel creams and pastes are approved for travel should not be more than 3.4 ounces or 100 milliliter or less. It is alleged that after the artist was told this, he started to behave boisterously and disorderly, which led to him being arrested.
Brother, judge that. The man that not even understand himself that guy come round today, book a flight, he might late for the flight. Boom, bam, bam. My agent bring him round. So we did a bam, 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 bam. Him have a cream. Bleaching cream. So the man them tell him, say, yo, here what? Bad shot. This can't go. Because them cream are over the amount. You understand? So you have to go take it and bring it out back and put it in your check bag where go underneath the plane. And the man grab back the cream from the officer and go on round there. Yeah, I tell you, I've got suck out this and got suck out that and big old girl and police boy, me we do this and be a thing the man I go out with, brother. Be a thing, one bleaching cream. Him road manager say, yo, should we take it and bring it back out? Oh, me no want nobody tell me that, baby. Dan, me no know. Me have to wonder, what go on? Where the artist step on? You understand what at the wrong place that him come try that, brother. Dan, you can't try that on the airport with it. Dan, you can't try that on the airport, Dan. That's the mistake you make of your life. You can't try that, brother. Wrong move. So him dead, take off him shirt and make up him bag and knife and when we do and if him never dead. If I never yes, why that gonna happen, man? If you tell you how the man a go on, one bleaching cream. Regular people lose them bleaching cream. The man they make millions. And the officer protocols run an airport. Protocols run any institution, anywhere. And that the man can't abide by that. Say, yo, brother, just go take it and bring it back out. Because we give him the option, you know. Never want the option. And them little crony them feel like them wicked. And rate this and that. But you know, that kick off the square between them. Bam, bam, bam. Get pepper spray, you know. And the man them deal them no way. Cause the man them not even want to deal them no way, brother. And that time he break down, him start cry. And I said, Jaja this. Then when him said the bang, them chew up on him and you know. Them time them come to realization and know say, yo, Jaja, what is me do? Yeah. Him start to beg and the officer just stop him and tell him, say, brother, he never have reached this far, you know. Yeah. Boy say the man going for one bleaching cream. Saying nah, less him bleaching cream, him a go done. The man he must think say Spanish town him there. He must think I place him there. This is the airport, brother. And that's a young artist that come up, brother. You have to know for build on. Even friend them, somebody that tell him, say, brother, just ease yourself, no man. Just easy. I wanna friend them. And he must say, no one hear nothing from no man. And then, you know what? A man feel like him reach now. So him bigger than the thing. Brother, when you come them place, you behave yourself, brother. You build. And follow protocol and go on where you go. So that the man then understand that.
So that was actually a voice note that circulated online that depicts the whole entire situation that took place between dancehall recording artist Skeng and airport security that led to his arrest. But all I can say about this matter is that the recording artist them does need to know that whatever the law says, they have to abide by it. Whether or not you're a recording artist, you're a star, there are certain laws that you're put in place for specific reasons, and it doesn't make sense you try to go around these laws because you're just going to end up and put yourself into some real serious problem. And this was what transpired here, based on the fact that he was not following the protocols as outlined by the airport security. And so many of these recording artists, from time to time, they believe as if they're above the law, and because they have some level of stardom, certain things does not apply to them when it's not so. If you're in a country, you have to abide by the laws and regulation of that country, and if you travel overseas as well, you have to abide by those laws and regulations. But it's very sad to see what really transpired here that led to him being arrested, and it's just an eye-opener out there for many that certain protocols are in place, and if you don't abide by these protocols, you'll only end up and put yourself in a whole lot of trouble. That led to the whole entire altercation between himself and airport security as well. And even though I have heard that people were there trying to calm him down, he was just not listening, and he was just in his own world, trying to defy the orders that were given to him by the airport security. So the police had to be called into play in order to quell the situation. And even when the police were on site as well, he was still not calm. He was still behaving in a boisterous manner. And this led to the police intervening in the whole entire situation and arrested him for disorderly conduct and boisterous behavior. But the artist, I must say, is doing very well with his musical career, and he just need to focus on his music and just kind of just focus in that direction. These recording artists nowadays, I believe that they get too much in the hype of their own life and the whole entire whelm of support that surrounds them based on the fans and the whole entire public outpour that they're getting. I believe some of the time they get swell-headed by this, and this is one of the main reasons why some of them react the way they do at times. I believe that they can't handle certain success and the level of success that they got, especially at a tender age such as this, and especially when some of them are struggling so hard and now they see that they have break on the scene and they have been loved right across the world. I believe some of them, they just get real swell-headed about the whole entire situation and just think as if they're above the world or they're on top, when it's not really so. These individuals just need to just maintain their composure, focus on the music, do some wonderful songs that will last out there for a lifetime, and just continue to just tread on that positive part instead of just resorting to situations such as these, because things like these can be avoided, and it doesn't make sense you're going to be or get arrested for just a simple bleaching cream, which was very unfortunate. However, we'll continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out, bless, and have a productive day from the Links TV team. You can just drop it in the comment section, let me know how you feel about this story. Thanks for watching.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.